In this lesson, let's check out some everyday ways to use generative AI.
The most popular way for a small business to use generative AI is generating text, which you can find online for free. Some of the most popular use cases are copywriting, consulting, analyzing, designing, and editing.
In the previous lesson, we mentioned prompting. In the next lesson, we'll give you more specific tips. But for now, we'll just show you a few examples. If you've never played with AI before, seeing it in action is impressive.
A good place to start is our free prompt library. It's organized by business objectives, categories, and verticals. Simply copy a prompt and adjust it to your specific needs. Before we jump in, just know that AI has a great imagination. It might present false information as if it were facts. It also isn't something you should put sensitive or private information into. We'll get deeper into the risks and limitations in another lesson.
Okay, let's say you're looking to get help with gaining more clients. We have specific categories like sales, social media, and SEO, as well as a broader category for digital marketing. Let's start with this one, learning about your audience.
I love this prompt. Click to copy, then paste it into your favorite chatbot. For this demo, I'm using ChatGPT. We'll just replace the specifics with the info for your business, and here we have our prompt. Act as an expert market researcher, helping to identify a target audience for an auto detail business. Step 1, ask 2 to 5 insightful questions about the audience, goals, and products and brand. Step 2, wait for me to answer those questions. Step 3, after I answer, succinctly define the audience in a 200-word description, showing empathy and a deep understanding of market segmentation. Please do not move on to step 3 until I answer.
This prompt is designed to ask you some questions for context. This helps it give you a much better answer than it can with less information.
Okay, so let's answer those questions. I serve affluent car owners in Seattle who like old cars, the outdoors, golfing, and classic rock. I offer paint protection and aim to provide a luxury experience.
And now you have an awesome description of your ideal customer. One of the great things about chatbots is they remember what you said earlier in the chat.
Let's try another prompt. I like this one for local business marketing tips. Because we've said some of these details before, we don't need to add any new variables. Step into the shoes of a community-focused marketing expert and draft an exhaustive local marketing plan for Seattle. Your plan should leverage community events and partnerships to bolster brand awareness for my business. Your approach should be creative, community-oriented, and strategic.
I love how that output is using everything it learned earlier. If it got anything wrong, you could simply reply and ask for what you want changed. Now let's do one more to generate a content calendar.
Ooh, I love this one. Embody the strategy of a skilled content manager and develop a comprehensive 6-month content calendar for my business. The calendar should account for relevant holidays, key industry events, and the unique content needs of each month, ensuring a consistent and timely flow of content. Format the output as a table.
Notice how it's making things up, like what platforms and content types you offer. It's so important to review the output for accuracy, but it's still a huge time saver and a great way to brainstorm ideas.
The prompt library is full of professionally written and tested prompts. You'll find help with business operations, content creation, customer support, productivity, and more. And we're always adding new prompts and improving the library all the time with entries from prompt engineers and AI enthusiasts at GoDaddy.
If you haven't even started your business, you can use prompts to generate business names, craft a business plan, or analyze competitors.
GoDaddy is already using AI technology to create solutions for small business owners. Our AI offers help including domain name recommendations, fully generated websites, and custom marketing campaigns.
These tools can really help you with marketing materials that can become social media posts, blog posts, and promotional videos. However, they can also be used for product creations, training staff and customers, and sales presentations.
In fact, you can ask AI to help you determine ways you can use it. Start by prompting it to ask you questions about your business, so it can produce a list of ways that you could use it to your advantage.
Now that you've seen a demo, let's move on. Next, we'll check out how you can craft your own prompts and get the most out of AI, including tips for generating images, videos, and more.